right, let's do the ear. We are going to chain 5. This is color A. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in each of the next 2 chains. 2 single crochet in the last chain, which will give us a total of 5 single crochet. So row 1. All right, whoops. Row 2. We're going to chain 1, turn 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, single crochet and half double crochet in the last stitch, single crochet and half double crochet in the last stitch for a total of 7 stitches in this row. Now row 3, chain 1, turn, half double crochet in each of the first 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Remember those turning chains, those chains before I turn do not count as a stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. And that gives us a total of 8 stitches in this row. Row 4. Chain 1. Turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. Total of 10 stitches in that row. Row 5. Chain 1, turn, half double crochet in each of the first 5 stitches, single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. That makes for a total of 11 stitches. Row 6, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in first stitch, single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, half double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. 12 stitches total in that row. And row 7, chain 1, turn, half double crochet in each of the first 7 stitches, single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. That is 13 stitches. Row 8, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, then single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, half double crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. 14 stitches total in that row. Row 9, chain 1, turn, half double crochet in each of the first 9 stitches, single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in last stitch. That's a total of 15 stitches in that row. Row 10, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in first stitch, single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches, half double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. So a total of 16 stitches. Row 11, chain 1, turn, half double crochet in each of the first 9 stitches, single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Still 16 stitches. Now for row 12, chain 1, turn, single crochet in each of first 8 stitches, half double crochet in each of next 6 stitches, half double crochet 2 together. 15 stitches in that row. Now row 13, chain 1, turn, skip 1, half double crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. Single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Single crochet 2 together, and that gives a total of 13 stitches in this row. Now row 14, which is the last row of the ear. Chain 1, turn, skip 1, single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. Half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet 2 together. Now continue on to border without fastening off. So for the border of the color A ear, since this is color A, we're going to chain 1, turn, single crochet in each of the 11 stitches on the long side of the ear. And 11, 14 single crochet around sides of the stitches on the bottom of the ear. So you kind of want to figure out how you want to do that. Let's see. I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's going to be pretty close here. So 14 single crochet around the sides of the ear. I don't want them to be too far apart on this area right here because it's an outside turn, right? And we don't want to accidentally smush that together. 1, 2, 3. Trying to get right kind of in there. Well, does not want to play nice. I keep ending up in the same spot I already worked into. Oh wait, I think I got it. I do. 3, there we go. 4. 5, 6, 7. Let me see. Okay, I think I can do that. 7, I think I'm going to make a little closer. Okay, I'm going to put this number 7 right here. And then it looks like these kind of obvious holes here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 of these really obvious holes. So I'm going to do that for the rest of them. 8, 13, and 14. And now I've come to the short side of the ear. 2 single crochet in the first stitch of the short side of the ear. So 1, 2, single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochet in that last stitch of the short side of the ear, and then 19 single crochet around the other side, around the sides of the top of the ear, and then we will slip stitch into the beginning single crochet. So let's see. I need to do 19 here. And I have, there were what, 14 rows? All right, so I'm going to kind of mark it here. Let's see, I'm going to fold it in half and mark, yep, right there is the center-ish of my ear. I need 19, so it's like, 10 and 9. So I can kind of mark the center again with my finger and know that I need about 5 to there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, take the marker off, 10, let's see, that there is the center of that, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, and then we slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, which as usual I'm going to just kind of clip and pull that through before I do the slip stitch, and in lieu of the slip stitch I'm going to make an invisible join. So here is the loop. Right here is the loop I want to duplicate. Okay, so I've got my yarn coming out here. I'm gonna go underneath where that loop goes underneath. Oh, I didn't, my tail is too long. There we go. And now I'm going to go back through where the yarn came out. So you can see it came out here. Then I went under this stitch and then went back down. And now I'm just going to kind of futz with it a bit and get myself a pretty little duplicate stitch. Okay? And then this end, I'm actually going to weave in this end, the starting end of my ear. I hope you made that really nice and long, because I'm going to actually go ahead and leave this to sew the ear on. If you didn't make it long enough, or if you forget and you weave it in, don't stress. You can always just cut a new piece of the yarn when it comes time to sew it onto the elephant. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and weave this end in. Border of color B ear. We are going to chain 1 and then 19 single crochet around the sides of the stitches on the top of the ear. So that is all of this. We need to put 19 single crochet there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half and put this little marker right in the center. And I need, if that's the center, then that means I need 9 single crochet on this side and 9 single crochet on this side, and then one more right here, because 9 plus 9 plus 1 equals 19, right? All right, so let's try that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then stitch number 10 goes right where that stitch marker was. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. There we go. We got 19 pretty evenly spaced across the top. See, that really works well using that marker to mark half. Now 2 single crochet in the first stitch on the short side of the ear. Single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, so get that end over towards the back. 14 single crochet around the sides of the stitches on the bottom of the ear. Okay, so here's the bottom of the ear from here all the way to this stitch right here, and we need to do 14 stitches. Now, I also know that I need to get a lot more stitches right here because this is such a curve. So I'm kind of gonna, let me see if I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so I'm gonna put 1 in each of these obvious holes, which will get me all the way up to here for 7, and then get the rest of the 7 around this curve so that, because you know you need more stitches when you're doing an outside curve than when you're doing an inside curve. Okay, so let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And look at that, I made all the way around, and I got enough stitches in that little outer curve that it didn't gather everything up. Now single crochet in each of the 11 stitches along this long side of the ear, and then slip stitch into the beginning single crochet. So there should be 11 stitches here along the long side. 1, 10, and 11. And then we are just going to go ahead and make that duplicate stitch to join, or you can just slip stitch to join, whatever floats your boat.